What's up, everybody? Today I have some pine needles that I'm going to be using around my plants and fruit trees. So pine needles are a great source of mulch. It's very abundant for starters. If you live in a area where there's pine trees, this happens to be from a Tory pine tree, so I can get an unlimited amount of this mulch for free. Now, the misconception about this is that it's going to turn your soil acidic, which is not necessarily true, because once they turn brown, the acidity will go away. So feel free to add this to your garden once it's dried up, and the acidity level will be really not going to affect your garden. The thing about pine needles is they form like this mesh, how they intertwine, and they can actually stabilize a hillside. If you have a steep hillside, using pine needles, the way they stack on top of each other, they prevent erosion. So excellent on a hillside. But anyway, what I'm doing is I'm gonna add a layer of mulch over the top around all of my fruit trees. And then this is just one more source. You can see right here, that's actually seaweed. So a layer of seaweed I used. And then over here, this stuff right here, this is a stump. An old stump I broke up and made it into mulch. So I got multiple different sources of mulch. And pine needles is just one more source. Free organic material. And I always like to constantly be topping off my garden beds with a different type of mulch every time. So getting a diversity of mulch in your garden is very important. So you can see there's the seaweed. I'll just cover it up again. I'm trying to do an even layer. So this is an apple tree, 2 apple trees. Then over here, you can see the mulch is almost gone. So I want to get a lot more mulch in this area. You can see once your soil gets down like this, that means you need more mulch on top of your soil. Try to flatten it out so it's kind of even layer around, and as it settles, it'll look really nice. That'll insulate the roots. These are potato plants, so it's good to have some mulch around your potato plants as well. All right, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time, and keep on growing.